Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add a contact form to Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is simply head over to your online store, and once you are there, head over to themes. We are going to be simply customizing our theme for this one, and now let's just say you want to add a contact form. It is going to be quite simple. I have already done that. You can see in the contact page I have already created a contact page, and once I head over to that, we have this contact form showing up. To add it, you simply need to, let's just say I want to remove it, and once I want to add let's just quickly remove this, or maybe just add another contact form so you get an idea. So to add it, simply click on this add section option, which is going to be appearing. Click on this and you can see on the left side we have contact form. Click on that and you will be able to see a contact form is added. So that's how easily you can add your contact form. Thank you so much for watching and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.